boys, I will say that did ring my bell just a little bit. I just wanted to share that, just a little public service announcement. But no, it was pretty bad. If it wasn't, look how it hit that cedar stick on the ground and how bad it bonked that son of a buck. It happened. Now, I wasn't hanging on tight because I just kind of letting it back blade, you know what I mean? But when it come around, it was bang! My daggone leg, it hit my leg, it hit the shin of my leg, and then it hit my shin and rocked out, and pow! It hit that cedar tree. But if it wasn't for that cedar tree, I think somebody could have done about a 180. But, it happened quicker than I didn't even know what to think. It hit my wedge. The kick part of the saw, I was finishing up my meat, and it caught my wedge. Look at it one more time. And later on, guys. Hey guys, if you liked the video, leave me likes and comments. You ain't subscribed, subscribe. If you want any Loggerway merchandise, head to the loggerway.com website, and you can, there's a shopping cart, PayPal, yada yada, credit card stuff, and what you call and what you digit. But thanks guys, over now.